Well, in the last 24 hours, YouTube have announced several new features in terms of video quality, audio quality, television experience, thumbnails. But particularly today, we're going to focus on the video and audio quality enhancements that they're talking about. So I'm going to show you how you can actually disable or enable those settings in YouTube. They've already rolled that out. You should be able to find that in your studio. I'll show you how. But first, let's go through what the announcements are in terms of the video and audio quality. So you can see here that we have the page for this, the YouTube help page. It says video and audio quality enhancements. To improve the viewing experience, YouTube may automatically apply visual and or audio enhancements to your content. These enhancements can improve video quality and make audio clearer and more balanced. About video and audio enhancements, visual enhancements can improve the viewer's watching experience. These enhancements may include adjustments to brightness and color, increased video clarity and sharpness, increased video resolution with super resolution, which uses Google's built technology to make low resolution uploads look like they were filmed in HD. That's pretty interesting. And then they've whacked a note right in the middle of there, because earlier this year we had the whole thing with the upscale shorts, and some people weren't happy that how YouTube were upscaling those shorts using AI. And so YouTube have said, no, viewers can always toggle increased video quality with super resolution and original upload resolution through the quality video quality settings, which I'm going to show you in just a minute. Audio enhancements can help improve a viewer's audio experience. These enhancements may include automatic adjustments to volume levels and sound mixing, a more comfortable listening experience with stable volume, an enhancement that balances the range between the quiet and the loud parts of the video, reducing variations in sound. This is pretty good feature. You can also turn this off. We typically apply these enhancements when we expect they will improve the viewing experience. However, we understand that some creators may prefer that their content to look and sound as close as possible as the original. These settings give you control over the default viewing experience for your channel's content. To ensure every viewer can watch and hear your content, their individual accessibility settings may take precedence in some cases. Some enhancements, like stable volume or super resolution, may have separate controls for viewers. If you disable enhancements for your channel, viewers may not be able to use these features. You can manage whether these enhancements are applied to your channel's future uploads using the visual and audio quality enhancement settings. The setting does not affect ads or videos you are already uploaded, which is really interesting, because in the announcement videos where there was a podcast with Renee Ritchie and Kurt Wilms and Jacqueline Dallas, who's a creator, where they talked about a lot of the TV related stuff. And then there was the one that Renee did with Susanna, who's the CPO of YouTube, Chief Product Officer, that is. And they talked about this. And there was a mention of it going back and doing it to content that was already uploaded. So I'm not sure. There's a little bit of a mixed message here. I'll see if I can get that clarified at some point in the future. So now we get to the part where we understand whether it's how to turn it on or off. By default, it is going to be on. If you don't want YouTube to attempt to improve the quality of videos, then you want to go and uncheck these as soon as you are able. So it says here, turn visual and audio quality enhancement settings on or off. So if you go into your YouTube studio on desktop, click settings, channel, advanced settings, then you can check or uncheck the Let YouTube Enhance Visual Quality box, and check or uncheck the Let YouTube Enhance Audio Quality box. So you have a setting for video, visual, and a setting for audio, what you hear. Once you've made the changes to how you want them, then you just click save and it's done. It's a channel-wide setting, so it's set and forget. So once you set it, you don't have to touch it again unless you change your mind, of course. So what do you think about this? Do you think it's a good thing that they do this either to newer content or older content? Now, they want to bring everything up from the lower quality formats up to a minimum of 1080p. So at right now, 1080p is what they're bringing. All the lower resolutions, all the 480s and the 720s, they want to bring them all up to 1080p. In the future, they suggest that they're going to enable that to bring everything all the way up to 4K. So it could be interesting. That's a lot of bandwidth, a lot of power. That's a lot of compute to apply to videos, even on a newly uploaded basis. So I think the moral of the story is certainly upload high quality as possible in this day and age. I'm recording this on an iPhone 17 Pro Max, so I've got the latest and greatest of the iPhones here doing this, and I'm recording this in the Blackmagic camera using 4K, and it'll get uploaded as 4K when we're all done. This is a iPhone. This is a phone. This is not like this is not a whiz bang big massive camera with a massive lens. So you know, the results are going to vary depending on the technology and how it all works. I don't know how it's going to work, but I'm interested in seeing if you're like favorable of this update, or are you cautious about YouTube playing around? A lot of people didn't like the upscale shorts that they were experimenting with a few months ago. So hopefully this is better. This is definitely rolling out to long form content. This isn't a short thing. This is a across the board content thing. Now I can understand that they might want to even upscale. You know, sometimes when we're doing those live streams, I don't know if they're going to apply these to live streams or live stream replays or the VODs. But remember, sometimes the bandwidth that we have is limited, and we might be, you know, some of my older stuff is in 720p. I do live stream in 1080p now, but you know, we're putting it out at a different bit rate, so the quality might not be quite as crisp as something we record right here on the camera, edit and upload. Whether they do that to live streams, I don't know. I don't know. So let me know what you think. I'm interested to see if it's something you're going to leave it all checked as it is checked by default, or are you going to let it be, you're just going to turn it off and say, whatever I upload, I want it just to be like that, even if it is a little bit crappy. We're going to just leave it as is. Don't touch me stuff. YouTube, don't touch me stuff. Which camp are you in? Or you're in the camp that's like, yeah, sounds cool, whatever. But if you want to check out more YouTube recent features that we do, so go check it out. In the meantime, this is Doug, and I'll catch you later.